How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Bitcoin update. So it is a new week. We can start off on the weekly time frame, and we see that we printed a green candle. However, we've got quite equal wicks to either side. I guess you can say more to the downside than to the upside. So could call this a bullish candle, but I'm more inclined to believe that this is just showing indecision. It doesn't mean that it can't break up. It's just that it's indecisive in that last week it didn't decide which way it wanted to go. It went down, it went up, and then it closed sort of where it started at the beginning of that week. So now we're seeing that we're holding this previous resistance as support, the 786 fib, 29,600, and the resistance at 31,000 exactly. Nice psychological level. So after this falling wedge breakout over here, we do have targets to the upside. We met the first set over here, but once this high is broken, we're looking at these targets between 33 and 36k, 35.7. Let's just call it 36k. So somewhere in around here. I have shown a bull pennant in the past. So in the very first few days over here, the second day that we were here, this became a bull pennant out of the breakout of this falling wedge over here. And so we measure the pump out of here. Put it on the breakout that I was calling for about 34k, this target out of here. But as we can see, prices continue to consolidate here. Did have a chance with a head and shoulders pattern to break down, get the retest of these key moving averages, maybe even fall back down to this previous double bottom over here, flip it from resistance into support. That's what should happen technically, as we created the reverse wave by climbing back above the golden pocket. Not necessarily that you have to come all the way down to there, just that we've created the reverse wave, and once this is broken, we are looking at these targets, and we have some confluence between 33 and 34k with this breakout over here out of this potential bull pennant. But of course, as we continue to go sideways, you increase it. So it's still the same pattern. It's just we're still trading. We're waiting for a breakout. Even in the last day or so, we've got a bullish candle right there, being a spinning top, potentially on the breakout of this bull pennant, looking for that continuation to these targets. There are two ways of taking the targets. I will get the first way, which I was using, which is from here to there, put it on the breakout, I'll just put it there, and then we were calling for about 33, 34k. But I guess you can also take it all the way from the bottom of the move here, and this is where we're getting that 36k target. So anywhere between 33.5 to 36k. I know it's quite a large area, but that's what the Fibonacci's are saying anyway, that it's quite a large area. 33 to 35. I've just shown you something that could suggest 36 today. So yeah, keep that in mind. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Make sure you bump up the algorithm. The only metric that YouTube actually does use to pump out these videos to like-minded people like yourself is by liking, commenting, subscribing. Also turn on that notification bell on and share these updates if you can. I will be doing some live streams coming into the future. I might do one today. Just need to set everything up. I have done it in the past. I'm looking to carry on with that. I guess that would be nice to do some live TO on some other coins apart from the ones that I do cover. It's quite hard to keep up to date and cover every single coin every single day and make 10, 20 videos a day. So maybe doing this live stream might actually be beneficial. I'll still make the Bitcoin video, the quant video, and then if there's any like key updates, then I'll make videos on them. Otherwise, I might just start to do live streams, and then you guys can join in and we'll just flick through loads of charts, analyze loads of charts together as a group. So that would be nice. This is something that we do anyway in my Discord community. So if you wanted to be part of that, we do weekly group calls. I mentioned levels to DCA over on Quant the other day in the Discord community. I told everyone to buy on that crazy dump. Remember that crazy dump that happened the other day? Quant dumped from 109 all the way to 102, and I put in the chat just as it was dumping, our DCA level is between 94 and 100 as we knew, but as we were coming down I said 102 because we previously came down to there and we bounced. So any dumps into that area, it is support, we should bounce. We reclaim those EMAs and we head up, and since that buy in the Discord community, we can see price currently up 6% at a high of 9.5% for Quant. Let me just head back to the Bitcoin chart over here. And now we're on the 1 hour time frame. We can see that neckline that I drew on the daily time frame is still being held on the 1 hour as well. We can see another dump off to it in on Sunday, so in the last day or so. So it's had its opportunities, it's had multiple opportunities to go down. We've seen in the past that any sideways correction that Bitcoin does have usually ends up in going up. This is what's tended to happen since the beginning of this year, because we've been in an uptrend, and any dips, corrections or bearish patterns on the chart are just dips and corrections and just traps to make you sell. So of course it does look like to me that this could be that BART pattern, you know, the BART pattern, and that would suggest price coming back down. You know, if it were to be the case, then I've already mentioned those levels earlier today. You know, the key areas that we want to hold as support could even just come down to here and then continue up. But we still have the bull pennant valid, as in we haven't invalidated yet. We need to break out, of course, at the same time. Let's just simply wait for a break of 31k. Then there's pretty much no argument with it. A daily close above that would be beneficial to all of us. So we're just going to simply wait for that, because until then, with those wick projections, while still below 31k, this being a psychological level, that BART pattern could play out. I'm hoping that even if we do break to the downside, that it just holds 29.5k. And while this is being maintained, we're not coming down at all. We're just waiting for one of these two lines to give in. I guess you can say, yeah, we were calling it bull pennant, but I guess you can say, because this is ascending and this is horizontal, or we draw it even closer over here, that it could be an ascending triangle waiting to break out. So that would be another bullish pattern. So it would be a shorter target, but it's essentially saying that if this pattern does break out, it's going to push you above the 1 fib level, which if we can confirm as support, we will head to these targets with a target as high as 36,000 out of the more aggressive target out of this bull pennant over here. That's pretty much it from me today. I have a course, I have a mentorship. If you need further guidance, I'm more than happy to help you. My mentorship includes my 6-hour long course. You also get 3 months for free in my Discord community. If you just want to join my Discord community anyway, all the links you can need can be found in the description. It'll bring you over to my link tree. Private message me here over on my Twitter. Make sure you turn on the bells and follow me over here. We're on the road to 2.5k followers. If there's anything I need to update you guys on beyond the videos, then this is where I'm going to show you guys, of course. Even in the chat, before, as price was somewhere up here, I said just please make sure you set alerts on the 4-hour 55. Look, it came all the way down to there. I'm expecting a big reaction, and that was at 30.4k, I think. Since then, yeah, we're at 30.6. So we got the reaction that we were talking about. Look at that, after that 55 moving average right there. So nice reaction. But yeah, now we're just simply waiting. Will it roll over one more time, get those nice retests, reset those 4-hour moving average here at 200 at the 200 EMA, or the daily over here, or the daily 20, or the 55 over here? To be honest, guys, it doesn't necessarily need to go down to that, as I mentioned earlier. But again, you've created the reversal wave. All you need to do is stay above this. So we are looking to constantly break out to the upside. Any dumps should just be bearish retest, a bullish retest to just hit these previous support resistances, now support, if we were to dump down to that. Not that we need to, but if it does, it's just a retest of key support to actually continue high eventually anyway. Whether that's up first to go to the target straight away, or down first to go to the targets, doesn't matter. We believe that we will go up eventually anyways. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will catch you in the next Bitcoin update. Cheers. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat, where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.